Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to extract RAW files on iPad. RAW compressed file, they work with a software called WinRAR, which can extract RAW files in Windows. It is developed by Ingojrosel, but how to extract RAW on iPad? In iPad, RAW files aren't supported and we have no option to extract it. You are lucky if you find this video. We have a special way to extract it using a system and the Apple shortcuts. Simply just search the file and open it. Create a new shortcut, then search for the file function. Select the raw file you want to extract, then search for the extract files function. Select the magic variable file which links to the raw file. Finally, select the save file function to ask the user where to save the extracted file. Then simply just choose the place where you want to save it, then check back the folder. The file is extracted. So that's how you can extract files on iOS. If this video was helpful, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.